Hey y'all, my name is Troy. I'm the general manager here at the Lady and Sons. Paula has asked me to make a couple drinks for you guys and to continue making some drinks so that we can show off what we do here at the Lady and Sons. We try to be very original and come up with items for every season, every activity, every holiday, such as St. Patrick's Day. Um, Here's our bar here at the Lady and Sons. We're not quite open yet, but we have a slushy machine. We brought this in last year. It's been a really big success for us. We generally run a seasonal slushy. Right now, it's Jamie Deen's Texas Margarita. It has beer. We have to make a homemade limeade here for that. It is so good. And then we have our Savannah Lemonade. That is the biggest seller we have. Since we started doing the Savannah lemonade slushy, we have sold thousands. Everybody loves it. You can add a little bit of strawberry, peach, anything you want to it. Dress it up, but it is so great for a warm, hot summer day here in Savannah. You can walk around on the street, drink it all afternoon if you'd like. So today we're going to make a drink for St. Patrick's Day, which is a huge holiday here in Savannah. We have tens of thousands of people who come. It is one of the largest St. Patrick's Day celebrations in the United States, and we are definitely looking forward to that this year. We're going to keep it simple, but something, everybody loves a green drink. We dye all of our fountains down here in Savannah green. Everybody, if you're not green on St. Patrick's Day, you're getting pinched all day long. So today we're going to make a screwdriver that is going to be green. It's going to be super bright. It does have a lot of citrus flavor to it, but it's definitely going to scream Savannah on St. Patrick's Day. So we're going to use a mason jar. You can use anything you want. You can use a red solo cup, but we want to be able to see that green. So Tito's, because if you're drinking vodka, you may as well drink the best. Now, in order to give it a good green flavor, we're going to use blue curacao. You can use anything that's blue. You could even use food coloring if you don't have this at home. So it looks like a lot of liquor, but this isn't super, super strong, the blue curacao. That vodka is going to give it a good bit of that bite that you need to have, especially for St. Patrick's Day. You're just going to fill your glass up with orange juice. We love Florida's Natural here at the Lady and Sons. Just going to toss it back. Super, super green. Has a really good flavor. I could drink these all day long. Y'all have a happy St. Patrick's Day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.